Let us first start with the solutions of worksheet 5. Worksheet 5 I had shared in my previous video. Question number 1. The meter reading of Vinay's car is 95193. Answer the following questions. A part. When 10,000 kilometers more is travelled, which figure will change? So, first here we will add 10,000 to the meter reading, which is 95193. When we add 10,000, we get 105193. So, you look closely at the meter reading and what number we have got now. The 10,000's place has changed. You don't have to write this particular step in your answers. This is for your understanding. You will directly write the digit 9 at the 10,000's place will change. B part. To change the digit from 5 to 6, how much more distance needs to be travelled? Now we look at the number. Let's see, where is 5? 5 is at the thousands place. And 5 needs to be changed to 6. New number after the digit 5 is changed to 6 will be 96193. And original number was 95193. Now to see how much distance is travelled, we'll have to subtract this original number from the new number formed. That is when we will get how much distance needs to be travelled. Distance to be travelled will be 1000 because the digit at the thousands place is changing. Here we can see the new number is changing at the thousands place from 5 to 6. Since it is increasing, the distance that needs to be travelled will be 1000. Had this number changed from 5 to 7, it would have been 2000. And let's get back to this example. So answer you will write 1000 kilometers. C part. How many times is the 9 on the left hand side greater than the 9 on the right? We have two 9s. First 9 is on the tens place. The next 9 is on the 10,000s place. So tens place and 10,000s place. 10,000 is equal to 10 into what? How much will you multiply to 10 to get the answer as 10,000? You will multiply 1000. So 9 on the left is 1000 times more than the 9 on the right. So answer you will write 1000 times. Now these two steps that I have written, the place value chart and the multiplication, you don't have to write these two. It is for your understanding. You can directly see the place values and then write the answer 1000 times. Question number 2. Underline the correct place value of 6 in each number. The first one I had done for you. Let's go to the second one directly. 93268. Now 6 is at the tens place. So after 6, whatever is on the right side, that is one digit, we will convert it into 0. So we will get 6060. Now the third one, 6 is at the hundreds place. So the two digits after 6, we will convert it and get the answer. Here again, we'll take the 6 and everything on the right of it, we will convert it into 0. So 6 will be followed by 5 zeros. Question number 3. Rewrite the following numbers by interchanging the digits at the thousands and ones place. The first one I had underlined the digits for you. Now we have to change the place of 5 and 6. That is, interchange their places. The new number thus formed will be 86235. The next one, 4 is at the tens place, 6 is at the thousands place. So we will interchange the place of 4 and 6 and we will get 94216. 74521. 1 is on the ones place, and 4 is in the thousands place. So these two have to be interchanged. New number thus formed is going to be 71524. Question 4. Rewrite the following numbers by interchanging the digits at the tens and 10,000s place. New number thus formed is 15264. For the next one, 41596. 4 and 9 are at the respective places, that is 10,000 and tens place. We have to interchange them, and when we interchange we get 91546. 81935. 3 is at the tens place, 8 is at the 10,000s place. Now we'll interchange their places. So we will get 31985. I hope you have understood the concepts explained so far. Let us move on. Expanded form. Here I have taken an example 49517. So first we'll put it in the place value chart. 7 will go in the ones place, 1 will go in the tens place, 100 we have 5, thousands place will be occupied by 9, and 4 will go into 10,000s place. What does putting values in the place value chart mean? This means we have 4 10,000s, 9,000s, 500s, 110 and 7 ones. This is in words. Now when we write it in figures, that gives us the expanded form. That is 40,000 plus 9,000 plus 500 plus 10 plus 7. Now these two steps you don't have to write when you do it in the copy. You are given a number, you will straight away write the expanded form. These two steps were for your understanding. Okay, short form. Short form is just the reverse of the expanded form. Here the expanded form is given to us. We have to convert it back to a number. Now this is what? 70,000 plus 4,000 plus 800 plus 30 plus 6. In words we can write it like this. 7 10,000s, 4,000s, 8 hundreds, 3 tens, 6 ones. And when we put it in the place value chart, 6 at ones place, 3 at tens place, 8 at hundreds place, 4 at thousands place, 7 at 10,000s place. Now this will form the number as 74836. Now again these two steps you don't have to write in the copy. You can directly write the answer. Special case. How many thousands are there in 74836? Now this again we'll first write it. It is 7 10,000s, 4,000s, 8 hundreds, 3 tens, 6 ones. Look at the 7 10,000. Now 7 10 can be written as 70, 70,000s, 4,000s, 8 hundreds, 3 tens and 6 ones. Now 70 and 4,000s, we can add them up and write 74,000s, 8 hundreds, 3 tens and 6 ones. Now this gives us how many thousands? 74,000s. These three steps which I have shown by the arrow are for your understanding. There is a small trick here. What you can do when you are faced with such a question, they are asking you thousands. How many thousands are there in this particular number? Identify the number at thousands place. We have 4. So all the numbers including the 4 on the left of this, that is in this particular case 7 and 4 will be your answer. That means 74,000s. If they ask you about how many hundreds are there in this, that means 8 which is at hundreds place, and every number on the left of 8, that is 7, 4 and 8 will form your answer. You will have 7, 4, 8 hundreds. Now let us do a worksheet to enhance your understanding. Worksheet number 6. Question 1. Write the following in expanded form. A part 87632, B part 70777. Question number 2. Write the following in short form. A part 70,000 plus 3,000 plus 500 plus 60 plus 5. B 40,000 plus 800 plus 30 plus 5. Now in the B part, I want you to take note there is no entry for the thousands digit. So thousands digit is going to be 0 in the B part. Question number 3. Which one of the following is the expanded form of 80236? A 80,000 plus 2,000 plus 30 plus 6. B 8,000 plus 2,000 plus 300 plus 6. C 80,000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 6. D 80,000 plus 200 plus 300 plus 60. Question number 4. Expanded form for 55055 is 50,000 plus 5,000 plus 500 plus 50. B 50,000 plus 5,000 plus 50 plus 5. C 50,000 plus 500 plus 50 plus 5. D 5,000 plus 500 plus 50 plus 5. Question number 5. How many are A part thousands in 59524, B hundreds in 74268, C tens in 145. This brings us to the end of the worksheet. I wish you luck with your worksheet. Until we meet again, stay safe, stay happy.